Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change theme on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, themes can also be chosen to improve productivity. For example, you can select themes with minimalist design or organized layout to reduce distraction and focus on important tasks. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, long press any screen on your device. Okay, after that, select theme option. Well, so on this page, you will find many kind of themes that you can apply to your device. So, select the theme you like it the most. And then, click this option to get the theme. And after the downloading process is complete, click Apply button and wait until the process is finished. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change theme on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.